everyone, I am Javel Barogo and today I will be doing my first manual drawing activity here in Autocad. As you can see from the left side of the screen is the figure or the manual that will serve as our guide in drawing. So without further ado, let's get started! To start with our drawing, you just need to click line or just simply type L for the shortcut in the command, then enter. Then input the first coordinate, which is 1, 1 based on our figure. Enter. For the next line would be just simply type number sign 4.1, comma 1, then enter. For the next coordinate would be 4.5, comma 2.2, enter. So the next dimension would be 2.3 at the angle of 0 degree, or just simply click tab, then type the angle or the 0, enter. For the next dimension would be 1.4, and to get the angle, just need to subtract 150 from 180 degrees. So 180 minus 150 would be 30 degrees, or click tab, 30 degrees, enter. And the next dimension is 2.1, tab, 90 degrees, enter. Then 1.6, tab. To get its angle, just need to subtract 150 from 270. So that would be 120 degrees. Then enter here. For the next one, just input 1.3. And the angle is 180 degrees. Just remember to place the crosshair here to get the right measurement. 180. Enter. And the next dimension is 1.4. Place the crosshair downwards. 1.4. Tab. The angle is 90 degrees. Enter. So for the next one, the dimension is 2.2. Then to get the angle, you need to add 90 plus 45. And that would be 135 degrees. Enter. Next dimension is 1.0 at the angle of 180 degrees. Oh, sorry. 1.0, tab. Don't forget to click the tab for its angle, 180 degrees. Then enter. Then 1.5 is the dimension at the angle, tab, 135 degrees. Click enter. Then for the next one is 1.0, tab, 180 degrees. Enter. Then the next dimension is 2.3. Click tab. So based from the figure, it is 60 degrees. Enter. So then the next one, you just need to connect the line to the starting point. Just click here at the end point. And there. Then just click escape. As we can see, we are now finished in drawing the figure from the manual. And now, let's proceed in labeling each lines and angles of the figure. From here, We can also compare if we got the right measurements of the dimensions as well as its angle. So first, we can change the color of the text, so we can highlight the color of the, or we can highlight the text. You can choose any color you want, but now I'm gonna pick green. And then first, type text, or just simply type empty, enter. And then specify the first corner, or just draw a text box here. After drawing the text box, input the dimension or the label of its line. 1 to 1. Then after that, just click anywhere inside the drawing area. For the next one, again type empty or the mtext, enter, and then draw a text box here again. And then after that, type its dimension, which is 4.1 is to 1. And then again, click anywhere. Then for the next one would be, again type empty and text, and then draw a text box here. After drawing a text box, again type its dimension, which is 4.5, comma 2.2, and then click anywhere. You can also change its location, or move it from here. Just drag the text, and then that's it. And for the next one would be the dimensions of each lines. And from here we have different types of dimensions, which are the linear, aligned, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinate, and jog. But here we will only just use the three dimensions, which the linear dimension, aligned linear dimension, and the angular dimension. So first is the linear dimension. Linear dimension is, it creates a dimension with a horizontal, vertical, or rotated dimension line. But here, we're just going to use the dimension of the horizontal line and the vertical line. And for the next one would be the aligned linear dimension, which it creates a linear dimension that is aligned with the origin points of the extension lines, or the diagonal lines here, like this one. And for the last one would be the angular dimension. Basically, it measures the angle between selected objects or 3 points, which the angles of the line. So first, we just need to click linear, or just type dim linear for its shortcut in the command, then enter, then specify or click the endpoints from here, here, and then we just need to type 0.5 or zero point 0.5 so that we have a uniform distance measurement of each dimension. Then click enter. So we have a 2.3. Then again, dim, near, and then the endpoints here, and then again the distance 0.5, enter, and then again dim linear, enter, and then the endpoints here to here, then 0.5 this distance, then again dim linear, enter, the endpoints here, so we have 1.4, 0.5 distance, and again dim linear and the command, and then the endpoints again here, here, then its distance 0.5, then again for the last one, linear, the endpoints from here, here, and then its distance 0.5, enter. And then for the next one would be the aligned linear dimension, or just you can click it from here, aligned, or just simply type from the command box that dim aligned, enter. Then from here, the diagonal line, and then its dimension 0.5. Again, diagonal line from here, here, its dimension 0.5. And then again, the line, and then the endpoints again here, then its distance 0.5. Enter, and again type in aligned the endpoints, just point the crosshair here, and then the distance 0.5. Enter, and for the last one, then align, enter, from here the endpoints here. We have here a 2.3 dimension, and then its distance is 0.5. And for the last one would be measuring its angle, or or we have the angular dimension. You can again click here the angular dimension, or just simply type the angular for the shortcut. And then select the arc, or the first line from here, and the second line. We have a 150 degrees, and then again the angular first point, and select the second line, and again the angular, then first line and the second line. So we have here a 45 degrees, again the angular, enter, then the angle here, second line. So we have here a 45 degrees, click. And for the next one, again type in the command box, then an angular. The first line, specify the first line and the second line. So we have here a 60 degrees here. Yeah. And then for the last label here in the angle of this one, first we need to create a line, specify the first point to here, and then escape, and then proceed to the angular dimension. First line and the second line. So we got here degree of 120. And that's it, guys. I think we got the right measurements of the figure. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned from the video on how to draw in Autocad. Bye! See you on our next vlog. Thank you!
I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us.